a focus program for like cooks and people who want to become chefs.
Basically, students come in, they learn culinary skills.
They can actually leave this program with some skills that will stick with them for life in terms of cooking.
No, I had very minimal experience cooking before.
So I've definitely learned a lot new skills and how to use a whole bunch of new tools and everything.
We run the cafeteria, so the students from day one are working in an industrial kitchen. It's almost like being in the industry where it's really real, but most students really enjoy themselves because they're working hands-on every day. They're actually cooking every day.
If you want to learn, take it. You know, it's a great class. The day goes by quick, and you know, you learn so many things.
All you need to do is bring a positive attitude and the willingness to learn and expand your horizons.
Kind of life-changing in a way.
It's very fun. You make a lot of new friends.
Yeah, it's just a great environment.
It's been quite an adventure actually for me. It's been awesome to be a part of this.